If you have a wedding or big event coming up, come get ready with me as I share some top tips to get in shape as a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. Number one is to start taking action way before you think you need to. Having worked with tons of clients, however long you think it's going to take to reach your goal, expect double. The reason being, weight loss, getting stronger, etc. takes a long time, especially if your metabolism is a little slow and you have trouble staying consistent with your health and fitness routine. It's all about creating the foundation first and then building your way up. Number two, really make sure that you're focusing on your nutrition more than fitness. Often I find clients working out double. Biggest changes come from what you eat. Number three, it's not so much about eating less, it's just about eating right. I find that the biggest mistake that women are making is that they're just cutting tons of calories and eating frozen meals like lean cuisines, energy drinks, and low sugar whatever. But really, it comes down to fueling your body correctly with the right nutrients and eating more whole foods, making more food from home, and eating less processed. Number four, you have to be prioritizing strength training. Strength training really helps to create shape in the body, which will help you look really, really good in your dress. While cardio will help to burn calories during the actual workout, strength training actually helps to boost your overall metabolism throughout the day, helping you burn more calories than actual cardio. Speaking of cardio, you do want to make sure that you are getting in some high intensity interval training, but also some steady state cardio. High intensity interval training will really help to retain lean muscle while burning body fat. And then your steady state cardio is going to help you with just overall fat burn. And just remember, these habits are not meant to be used as kind of like a short-term quick fix thing. The goal at the end of the day, even though you might be preparing for a big event in the future, is to make sure that these things last and that you focus on building healthy habits so that you don't have to stay on the yo-yo trap of losing and gaining the same 10 to 20 pounds over and over again. As a 2025 bride, I vow not to go on any type of extreme quick fix diet. I've done those in the past and they never work long term. And my goal on this page is to help other brides-to-be or just other women who want to look and feel their best to learn how to fuel their bodies properly, eat right, and do it in a way that helps women actually feel good in the process. Something that you're gonna wanna make sure you moderate is your alcohol intake. Alcohol basically stops the fat burning process. So if you are looking to drop body fat, you definitely want to take a break or at least lessen the amount of alcohol you drink on a weekly basis. And last but not least, I would also avoid processed carbs as much as possible. It's so easy to overeat and it's really hard to stay on track.